Aheman Mu. The concept of heaven. I don't necessarily the heaven in the skies, but also heaven. I walk memo. So we go live a good life, live a happy life, and be a good person. Most of the times, because we picture say there's a place waiting for us. And, we tend not to live the best of our lives here and wait for say and bring for heaven. So this song touches on the idea of we enjoying life as we have it. We want to die and go meet relatives our heaven, but relatives don't wear and change this year. We don't show them love. We want to die and go give them love in heaven, but all way and change this year. We're not showing them love. The sea, our ham sea, we are not taking good care of the sea. The sea is polluted, but if the sea is heaven, they are enjoy some blue sea with beautiful fishes. We want to go to heaven in the skies, but global warming, we are burning, and the sky is a bit damaged. So yeah, the song touches on enjoying all these little things whilst we have life, whilst we are alive, whilst we are here. When we are enjoying for heaven, we want to go to heaven to go and enjoy these beautiful things whilst we are here. We want to go to heaven, a land where you walk on gold. But over here in Ghana, over here in Africa, the land is full of gold. Why don't we preserve it? Why don't we make good use of it now, enjoy it, than tomorrow? Everybody wants to go to heaven. Everybody wants to die and go to heaven. But everybody is scared and afraid to die.